Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. We got a great episode. This is installment number 2 of my Cuba adventure, where I go down to the Royalton Hicacos 5-star resort in Varadero, Cuba. This episode, hopefully, it hasn't happened yet, but hopefully I'll show you a meal I had down there at one of their fine dining restaurants. First up, Mookie and I are going to make a drink. This is a Martin... Whoa! Mookie's very excited about the drink we're making. This is a Martin cake creation, and it's called a cat... Excuse me, Mookie. It's called a Kaiteur Swizzle. Yes, Mookie, yes. So I have one of my newer tiki mugs. It's full of crushed ice. First up, we're going to do 3/4 ounces of fresh lime. And then a 1/2 ounce of maple syrup. Watch your snout. You don't want to get syrup on your snout, Mookie. And we'll go a 1/2 ounce of falernum. This is the non-alcoholic falernum. And 2 dashes of angostura bitters. And then it calls for 2 ounces of aged rum. Today I just have some Captain Morgan's black spiced rum. And we might as well just finish her off. And that's a Kaiteur Swizzle. So coming up next, we're going to Cuba, Mookie. Thank you. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. This is Mookie. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.